شيخ مفتي،
Habibi.
أنا حزين
He says, I'm very sad.
لأنني سوف أعيش بقية حياتي بلا أم.
He says, because I'm going to live the rest of my life without my mother. She's passed away.
أنا أمي توفت قبل 5 أشهر أو 6 أشهر.
My mother passed away 5-6 months back.
والله العظيم
I swear by Allah,
أنني الآن أتمنى أمي أن ترجع إلى الدنيا من أجل أن أقبل قدميها.
he says, I promise you, I swear by Allah, I feel within me that I desperately want my mother to come back to the earth, even for a moment, so that I can kiss her feet.
لأن ربي يقول:
Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says,
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا.
Allah has decreed that none shall be worshipped besides Him, and that you shall do good to your parents.
إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما.
If one of them or both of them happen to achieve old age in your presence,
فلا تقل لهما أف.
so don't even say uff to them.
فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما.
Don't say uff to them and don't use negative words with them.
وقل لهما قولا كريما.
Say to them that which is beautiful, filled with honor.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة.
And lay for them the wing of mercy. Be merciful and kind towards them.
وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
And pray for them by saying, Oh my Rabb, have mercy on them, because they are the ones who actually brought me up when I was a child.